What's going on, guys? It's Ranger Rick here. We're here with my 2019 Ford Ranger. Today we're going to be tackling on a full bolt-on rock slider install. These rock sliders are full Dom tubing. They're actually manufactured by Relation Race Wheels, the same company that makes these beautiful wheels you see over here. Today we're going to be tackling the full install. I'm going to be showing you step by step which holes you'll be bolting through. There's different backing plates, so I'll be specifying which backing plate goes where, what tools you'll be needing, and just generally the way that I felt was the easiest way to do this install, and any tips or tricks I have. So join me along the way while we get these rock sliders on. Should be a quick install. Alright guys, so moving on to the tools. What I found very useful, 14mm crescent wrench with a ratcheting end on the back. We got a socket wrench. We're going to use a 3-inch extension for the socket, and last but not least, a 14mm socket. Moving on to the hard weld. Relation Race Wheels provided these backing plates, the oval and the C notch. I'll show you guys in depth which spots these go into. Hardware for the bolts, really nice construction, really sturdy steel. Aircraft nut on the back, 2 washers, one for each side. Alright guys, so moving down to the passenger side frame rail from front to back, we're going to do with this hole right here. I have them all highlighted for you to better describe which ones I'm talking about. This one right here, and then last but not least, this one right here. Most of the holes are easily recognizable since you could see light through them, and the bolt can only travel through these 3 holes. Alright guys, moving underneath your 2019 Ford Ranger, it's the passenger side frame rail. We're going to slide the donut shaped backing plate over your washer and your aircraft nut. Go ahead and finger tighten that, and we'll move on to the next one. This is the passenger side middle. You're going to notice that when we move to the driver's side, these backing plates only work for the passenger side because there's lots of cabling on the driver's side. You're going to slide the C-shaped one over the frame rail, slide your washer on, and your aircraft nut. Go ahead and finger tighten. Move on to the last one in the back. Okay. Moving down the frame rail, it's going to be a last hole in the back, easily recognizable. Use your backing plate with a notch out. The notch is going to saddle around the cross member, so it's going to be easily recognizable of where that goes. The regular full backing plates would not fit. Just slide your washer over and then go ahead and finger tighten that aircraft nut. Alright guys, so when you're mounting and tightening these up, they have a bit of play in them for adjustability. I recommend to go ahead and put the backing plates up front and back sides as high as they'll go to really get this bottom of the backing plate to brace off the frame rail. Alright, let's go. Okay.
Listens to the ghost inside me.
Alright guys, so on the driver's side frame rail, from front to back again, I'm going to be working with this hole. Went ahead and circled them. Moving down, this one, and the last one, right here. So moving on to the driver frame rail. The front. There's lots of cables and various other wiring here, but you can maneuver the backing plate. We're using the old one into position. I went ahead and already slid the bolt with the washer through on the other side. After we put on that backing plate, we're going to go ahead and slide the washer on and then finger tight that aircraft nut. Alright guys, and moving on to the next hole. This one's a little tricky. What I found useful, trying to slide the circular backing plate down behind. I've already slid the bolt through with the washer. Sorry if I blocked the view. Find the hole. Perfect. So you slide the circular disc in, slide the bolt through. We'll grab our washer and the aircraft nut. Slide the washer on and finger tight the aircraft nut. Alright, and the last one on the driver frame rail, we're going to use this backing plate with a notch, no top to it. There is some cabling there, so like no top is very necessary. We're going to slide the bolt through, slide our washer on, and finger tight the aircraft nut. And that's it.